Today, we are deeply honored to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Chairman of Pakistan People's Party, a nationally and internationally recognized leader. His commitment to youth engagement, humanitarian initiatives, and advocacy for marginalized reflects a vision rooted in service, inclusivity, and progress. This university stands as a proud legacy of former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who laid the foundation of Sindh Medical College in 1973. This vision was further strengthened by Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, the Honorable President of Pakistan, whose leadership facilitated the elevation of the institution to the status of Jinnah Sindh Medical University. This rich legacy of leadership, learning, and service deserves to be celebrated and carried forward. We would now like to respect our Honorable Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor Nikhat Ali Shah, to say a few words in the honor of our chief guest.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Nazish, for calling me here. Indeed, it's a matter of pride to welcome Fakhre Pakistan and the son of Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, the daughter of East, with a bath from Shah Abdul Latif Bhattai's poetry, because I was taught by the Pro-Chancellor कि भिटाई की शायरी को शायरी नहीं कहते, बैत कहते हैं. तो सर, मैं आपके ऑनर में एक बैत कहना चाहती हूँ. माण्हू सब न सोहना, माण्हू सब न सोहना, पखी सब न हंज. Not all people are beautiful, not all birds are like swans or hunts की तरह नहीं होते. पर कह माण्हू मंझ, there are few people, पर कह माण्हू मंझ अचे बू बहार जी, who are messengers of spring, who are messengers of change, who bring about color and who bring about life and who bring about development for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, huge round of applause for the pride of Sindh and pride of Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you very much, madam. It is therefore an honor to invite Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari to address this august gathering.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Vice Chancellor, respected faculty members, proud parents and families, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the graduating class of Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Assalamu alaikum. Today is not just a ceremony. Today is a milestone, not only in your personal journeys, but in the journey of our nation. Graduates, you are entering the world at a moment of extraordinary challenges, an extraordinary opportunity. You have studied medicine in an era shaped by global pandemics, climate emergencies, mental health crises, and widening inequalities in healthcare. Yet you have endured, you have persevered, and today you stand before us not merely as degree holders, but as healers, scientists, caregivers, and guardians of human dignity. Jinnah Sindh Medical University carries a powerful name, Jinnah, a name synonymous with vision, discipline, and service. Quaid-e-Azam believed that education and health were the foundations of a strong Pakistan. He understood that a nation cannot rise if its people are unwell, unheard, or unseen. You are now inheritors of that responsibility. Medicine is not just about pharmacology or diagnostics. Medicine is about humanity. It is about the mother who walks miles to reach a clinic. It is about the child whose illness is compounded by poverty. It is about the elderly patient who needs not just treatment, but reassurance and respect. Your white coats are not a symbol of privilege. It is a promise to serve without prejudice, a promise to heal without discrimination, a promise to place compassion above convenience. And let me say this clearly. A society that does not respect its doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers cannot call itself civilized. We owe you not only gratitude, but protection, dignity, and the resources to do your work safely and effectively. Sindh has always been a land of knowledge, tolerance, and resilience. From the Indus Valley civilization to modern Karachi, this soil has produced thinkers, healers, and reformers. But Pakistan still faces stark healthcare challenges. Maternal and child mortality, malnutrition, mental health neglect, climate-related diseases, unequal access between urban and rural communities. These challenges will not be solved by slogans alone. They will be solved by you, by your skills, your ethics, and your willingness to serve where you are most needed. Some of you will specialize, some will conduct research, some will serve in public hospitals, some may go abroad to learn and grow. Wherever life takes you, I urge you, never disconnect your success from the service of your people. You are graduating in a time when medicine is being reshaped by technology, artificial intelligence, telemedicine, and data-driven care. But let us remember, technology without ethics is dangerous. Knowledge without empathy is hollow. Pakistan needs doctors who are not only competent, but conscious, not only intelligent, but ethical, not only ambitious, but accountable. The future of healthcare must be patient-centered, inclusive, and just. And I assure you, voices like yours must be part of shaping health policy, public health reform, and medical education in this country. To the parents and families present here today, this moment belongs to you as well. Your sacrifices, prayers, and patience have shaped these graduates. To the faculty and administrators of Jinnah Sindh Medical University, you have not merely taught courses, you have shaped character. The nation salutes your dedication. And graduates, there will be days when the system frustrates you. There will be moments of exhaustion, doubt, and loss. Carry your knowledge with humility, carry your power with responsibility, carry your success with gratitude. As you step forward today, do so with courage, consciousness, and compassion. May you heal not only bodies, but trust. May you strengthen not only systems, but society. And may you always remember that the greatest medicine is the service of humanity. Congratulations to the class of the 7th Convocation of Jinnah Sindh Medical University. Pakistan Zindabad, aap sabko bahut bahut mubarak ho.
On behalf of the university, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, for honoring this convocation with his esteemed presence. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to recognize the achievements of our illustrious students in the graduating batches. I will request our high achievers from the classes of 2025 to kindly proceed towards the stage for the award.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।